In today's video, I'm going to teach you what you can do right now to keep parts of your chat. As we dive into this, it's important to know that while your full chat history might not be automatically saved, there are still some effective methods to preserve the important parts that you might want to keep for future reference. Let's explore these options together, ensuring you can hold on to those crucial snippets of your conversation. First up, a very handy method is to save a response as a note. If you're working within a notebook environment that has a chat tab, you'll often find a Save to Note option right there under the specific chat response. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of individual responses that stand out or contain valuable information you'll need later. Once you save a response to a note, it retains its original format, which includes tables, citations, and anything else that makes the chat meaningful. This is particularly beneficial if you've received a detailed explanation or organized data you want to refer to without losing context. Another practical approach is to pin or mark specific responses. When you pin a chat response, you're essentially flagging it as important. This makes it much easier for you to find it later without having to scroll through endless lines of conversation. Pinning acts as a kind of spotlight, drawing your attention back to the critical pieces of information you've marked whenever you revisit the chat. And if you find that you need to keep more than just a single response, a manual copy and paste method could be your best bet. This might be the most straightforward old-school approach, but it's highly effective. Simply highlight the chat content or portions of it and copy it over to a document of your choice, whether that's Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any other text editor you prefer. This way, you have the flexibility to curate larger selections of your conversation, compile them in one place, and even add your own notes or reflections where necessary. It's a great way to customize the information to suit your needs, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To wrap up, while automatic saving might not be available, integrating these methods into your routine can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your chat information. Whether you're saving single responses, highlighting important points, or compiling larger sections of your chats, these tools can really enhance your ability to retain and access the chat content you deem important. With a little bit of effort and these strategic actions, you'll always have the key parts of your chats readily available whenever you need them.